Error code F30 on the Whirlpool Duet dryer indicates poor airflow, typically resulting from a clogged vent or lint screen. This issue can be caused by several factors, including built-up lint and debris on the vent or lint screen, a vent with too many turns, or a crushed or kinked vent. To resolve this error, it is essential to clean the vent and lint screen regularly, removing any accumulated lint and debris to improve airflow and reduce potential fire hazards. This can be done by unplugging the vent from the back of the dryer and using a specialized vent cleaning brush to remove build-up dirt, as well as ensuring the exterior vent exhaust hood is clear of lint and debris. Additionally, verifying that the vent system has the recommended number of turns, as specified in the dryer's installation instructions, is crucial. If the vent has too many turns, professional help may be necessary to properly install and improve airflow. It is also important to check if the vent is crushed or kinked, as this can cause poor airflow, and seek professional assistance to repair it if necessary.